In this video, I'll show you how to use Moonshot Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, this video would basically be a very brief, educative, step-by-step tutorial video. I'm going to quickly show you guys how you can use Moonshot by Dexscreener. If you're a beginner, ensure you watch this video from the beginning to the very end. And check out my channel. I still got some videos uploaded about Moonshot and Dexscreener SEO. So at first, Moonshot is basically a Solana trading platform where you can launch your own tokens, right? So if you click on this launch your own tokens right here, this is basically the first thing most people use this for, to launch tokens. Once the token go well, it would be pushed to Radium, right? So if you come on here, launch your token on Moonshot, takes only just a few seconds, right? So you should choose this Solana, you should choose Radium, because Radium comes with a benefit whereby if you launch a token and it does well, if it goes to Radium, that is if it crosses a $65,000 market cap, right, you'll be rewarded with 2 Solana. That is like $500 or so. So you come on here, put your token symbol, your token name, your description, your icon, your banner. I made a video about that. Go to my channel and watch the full video tutorial. It's like, I think, 10 minutes or so. So if you come on here, if you click on this my tokens, it will display with the tokens you have launched here on Moonshot by Dexscreener, right? So I'll click on it, I'll wait for it to load. So you can see from this displayed option, I previously launched the token 5 days ago, right? I just did a test launch to see how things would work out well. So this token reached $6,000 market, $6,700 market cap. It was launched 5 days ago. So if I still go back, if you click on this portfolio, you would be displayed with how much you still got left here on your Phantom Wallet account, right? So if I click on this my portfolio, this is basically a test stuff, right? So you see how much token I got in Solana. So you can see I got just $0 value, right? Top USDT, I still got $0 here. So I would go back. So this is basically the Moonshot by Dexscreener, and this is the type where you see trending tokens. So these tokens are currently trending right now in the Moonshot by Dexscreener, and you can either launch a token on Solana or on Base network, right? Here on Moonshot by Dexscreener, if you click on this top, you will see the tokens that are currently topping the charts right now at the moment. So you can see that. So these are the tokens. So this token Pep on Dutch, just a XRP guy, Cheddar Cat. So these are the tokens that are currently topping charts here on Moonshot by Dexscreener. If you click on this rising, these are the tokens that are currently rising, right? At the moment, they are doing well. They are doing significantly well currently at the moment. So this is, you click on this rising, you see tokens that are currently moving, that are currently doing well. So this Pep on Dodge has $71,000 market cap, and it has just 94. It's currently 94% to fill the cap, right? Once it fills the cap, it will push to Radium platform, and this creator makes free 2 Solana. That is like $500 or so. So you can see this token trading stats. This token has pulled a volume of $134,000 in just 24 hours. In the last 5 minutes, I think some buys came in, right? Some few buys came in. So I'll click on this and wait for it to load. Yeah, $1,200 volume came in. And if I still adjust this thing right now, you can see that people are buying, right? So someone just bought, I think, $49 worth of this token right now. That is about 686 pieces. So I can come on here and adjust the charts. I would hold this. Okay, let me see, I would click on this. I'll wait for it to, yeah. So these are currently the buys that has been coming in to this project. So these are the buys that have been coming in. $17, 0.4, 0.3, 11, 22. So it's been a good one, right? It's been a good one. And someone sold $800 right here. So if I click on this, if you check through his Solana wallet, that is SoScan, you can see right from this transaction that this dude, sorry, that this guy Let's see. This guy has this guy has 10,000 US dollars in his Solana wallet right here. This $10,000. I think he should be the creator. I don't know, but he has a whole lot of money. This $10,000. You can see it's 47 Solana. Yeah. So if I go back to my desktop view, I'll reduce this. I think I'm gonna close this, right? So yeah, so this is, if you want to see finalized tokens, the tokens that have successfully made it well in this moonshot by Dexscreener, but they have been migrated to Redum, I think. So this is where you can see it. I'll wait for it to load, just very few seconds. You can see it. A token here, Major Frog, has pulled a market cap of $39 million. This should be the highest token that has done well in moonshot by Dexscreener. I think this token. So mistakes may away those. This is it. Then this one as well, Chinchilla, was launched a day ago, that is 24 hours ago, and has put a market capitalization of $338,000. This one was launched 18 days ago, like I think 3 weeks or so. 3.7 million. This is 2.5, 3.6, and a whole lot of them. So these are the tabs. You should study the tabs. This tab has the newest top market cap, oldest finalized, new, rising, top, trending. Then these are the both chains you can launch on either Solana or Base. Then this is, if you want to see the tokens you have launched, you click on this, it will show. If you want to see how much you got in your portfolio, you click on this. If you want to connect your Phantom wallet, I made a video about that. You also click on this. If you want to launch your token, you click on this. If you have any questions, ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. If you got any video ideas you want to share with me as well, do that below in the comment section. Or you can email me. I'll see you guys in the very next one.